Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, stop scrolling because I just found the blueprint for perfection. This kitchen, it is the definition of a modern Tudor dream. The color palette alone is totally giving classic luxury vibes. We're talking striking navy blue and crisp white. It's just stunning, right? Wow! Look at the scale of this room. The island is the absolute centerpiece. It's a massive 9-foot hunk of storage draped in gorgeous white marble. And the ceiling? The height is insane. We're talking a beautiful beamed coffered ceiling that has to be 12 feet high, adding that perfect old world drama. But it still feels light. The white perimeter cabinets keep it modern and airy, and then boom, the backsplash hits you. Deep blue, glossy ceramic tile laid in a herringbone pattern above that huge stainless steel range. It's such a bold, rich pop of color. Honestly, it's a game changer. You know how many kitchens feel cramped or just boring and beige? Not this one. This design uses that classic elegance, those massive leaded glass windows, easily 8 feet tall, to flood the space with light. And look at the dining area. That built-in banquette is the perfect cozy spot. It's functional, it's beautiful, it's truly the dream home definition. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me